lost and fled, where no map dare show a name.
There they walk with silver breath, risen quiet from the edge of death. They don't run and they don't fall, they were never meant to crawl. Only rise with burning grace, light beneath a shattered blaze.
Golden sanctuary, rise and shine, born of stormlight, salt and time, with glowing skin and eyes that see the warmth inside eternity. Let the skies turn black, let the silence call. We will stand, we will not fall. Wings unseen and voices still, hearts designed with quiet will.
No war songs here, no chains to hold, only stories carved in gold. No path was laid, no trail to find, only sparks we left behind. Each step a hymn, each breath a vow, to make a home of here and now. Golden sanctuary, rise and shine, born of stormlight, salt and time, with glowing skin and eyes that see the warmth inside eternity. Cold